Hello, dear students, and welcome to our a new writing lesson which talks about informative writing or informative essay. And the word informative is an adjective, and this word comes from the verb to inform, and it means to tell information, to give information. You are going to inform or explain true facts. This essay is not like the evaluative one. No opinions are raised. This is going to be our lesson. As usual, when we get the writing question, the first thing that we should do is to plan our writing. Essays are consisted of three main components. The first one is the introduction, and then we have the body paragraphs, and then we need to write the conclusion for that writing essay, as you can see in this picture. So this is the components of our writing essay. So in the introduction, we need to consider two main things. The first thing is to have a hook or grabber, and it means that we need to begin our essays in a creative way that grab the reader's attention. For example, like starting with a quote or a question or a fact or even statistics, grab our reader's attention. The second thing that we should include in our introduction is the thesis statement. I don't know if you have heard about thesis statement, but you need to look more about it. The thesis statement is one sentence only that is written in the end of your introduction. It includes all the points that you are going to write about, and we are going to have a very simple example of thesis statement. So now let's move to our body paragraphs, which are maybe three. Each paragraph should start with the topic sentence that talks about one idea only mentioned in the thesis statement. So the thesis statement will have all the points that you are going to write about in your essays, and every body paragraph will include only one idea. The topic sentence should be followed by supporting details or sentences like reasons, examples, facts, evidence, etc. And then we move to the conclusion to just restate our thesis statement that is mentioned in the introduction, but in other words. In this part of your essay, do not add any information, but you can give advice or recommendations if you wish to do that, but to try not to add any more information. In our informative writing, organization is very, very important, and it's better and easier for you as a student to write the main idea and then start writing the details to explain the main idea. So the purpose is to make sure that all ideas are linked together. If we have like this question, write at least 100 words on the following topic, an Omani place that you plan to visit. So here you are given a topic which talks about any Omani place. You need to think about these Omani places that are coming to your mind, and then you need to brainstorm what's special in these places and try to just plan your essay by providing different features of these places, because you are going to write an informative essay and you are going to tell the reader about different facts. So this is how we plan our writing. So in this essay, we are going, for example, to talk about Nizwa. And I have brought this from different resources like model answers, and I have made some changes on it. So as you can see, we put different ideas before we write the essay. So we need to plan our ideas, then provide ideas with supporting details. We just write one and the main idea, and then we put like different points of each idea. So we need to provide ideas with supporting details and then start writing our first draft. Let's go back to our topic about an Omani place that we are going to visit, and we have agreed that we are going to write about Nizwa. So look at the introduction. In the introduction, as we agreed that we need to have two things, the hook and the thesis statement. The hook to grab our reader's attention. And here we have like a quote, a question, or a fact, etc. So we will start the introduction with the hook. And our hook here is a question, which is written in blue. Have you ever been to a place which you will never forget? So this is a question to our readers just to grab their attention. Nizwa, which is located in Dakhliya region, is one of the most visited cities in Oman. So this is going to be first part of our introduction, and then we need to mention the thesis statement, which is one sentence only, and it's written in the end of our introduction. It should include all the points that we are going to write about. So we agreed that we are going to write about Nizwa, and we have different ideas. We need to put all these ideas in one sentence. In this thesis statement, the forts, traditional markets, and villages make it an important tourist destination. And as you can see in our thesis statement, that we are going to talk about forts in body paragraph 1, traditional markets in body paragraph 2, and villages in body paragraph 3. Here is our introduction, which is consisted almost of 40 words. Then let's move to our body paragraphs. Each paragraph should have a topic sentence that talks about one idea only. The first idea is about forts, so it's going to be in paragraph number 1, and the second idea is about traditional markets, which is going to be in body paragraph 2, and the third one, which is about villages, which is going to be in body paragraph 3. And every topic sentence should be followed by supporting details or sentences like reasons, examples, facts, evidence, etc., or even statistics. So let's have a look at our body paragraph 1. In our body paragraph 1, first of all, which is written in red, and these are linking words, Nizwa Fort, which was built in 1668, will take you back to the glorious history of Oman. And this one, which is written in green, is the topic sentence. And then the following sentence, which is written in purple, or they are the supporting details. It has strong doors and thick walls. In addition, linking word, the fort has number of cannons on the entrance and on the top of the fort. Then body paragraph 2. Second, for example, also all these are written in red, they are linking words. And we have the topic sentence, which is written in green. Visiting Nizwa, traditional market or markets, will give a visitor an unforgettable experience. For example, you can find many people selling everything such as fruits, vegetables, fish, and meat. Also, we are adding a new information. A visitor to Nizwa traditional markets can find many Omanis traders selling jewelry products like gold and silver for both genders. So this is body paragraph 2, which is about traditional market. And then in body paragraph 3, we have a paragraph which talks about villages. And here we are talking about Daris as an example, for instance. And we can see the topic sentence, the supporting details, and even the linking words. Then let's move to our conclusion. In the conclusion, as we can see, our ideas here, we are restating our thesis statement in other words. Do not add more information, but you can give advice or recommendations if there are any. So in conclusion, Nizwa is one of the most beautiful cities in Oman to be visited because of its historical forts. So here is, we are repeating the thesis statement. The ideas, we are repeating them in different words, traditional markets and big villages. Above all, the friendly people of Nizwa give the beauty to this city, and this is the main reason for visiting the place. And here we are asking or recommending readers to visit Nizwa. So this is going to be our informative writing, and it's very easy one. You just need to plan your ideas and then start writing about it. Let's have a look at the overall writing. This is the introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3, and then the conclusion. I have collected all of them in one piece of writing with different colors, thesis statement, linking words, topic sentences, and supporting details. This essay might look a bit longer. It's 235 words. And if you can study this essay, it's very easy one. And you can see the simple language that we are using in this essay. But if we want to reduce the essay, I can reduce and put only 2 sentences in each paragraph, the topic sentence and the supporting details, and it will look like this one. So this essay is consisted of 162 words, and I have deleted the third sentence of each paragraph. I deleted the third body paragraph. I have only 2 ideas. Maybe as a writer or a beginner, I have only 2 ideas. I will talk about the forts and the traditional markets. No need to talk about villages. And here I put this one. It is 132 words only. So this is how to write informative essays. No need to raise your opinion. ما تحتاج انك انت تبرز وجهة نظرك في الموضوع، انت فقط تعطي معلومات عامة لهذا النوع من الكتابة. فقط عليك انك تذكر المقدمة، تذكر من حاجتين اللي هو هوك اللي هو شيء يجذب القارئ مثل سؤال، احصائية، كذا. بعدين تبدأ بالثيسيس ستيتمنت اللي هي الجملة اللي تحتوي على جميع الفقرات اللي راح تتكلم عنها. بعدين تنتقل إلى body paragraph 1 body paragraph 2 body paragraph 3. هذا اللي هو جسم البرجر اللي هن الفقرات اللي في النص بين المقدمة والخاتمة، تحتوي على جملة موضوعية زائد مثال أو جملة أخرى تدعم الجملة الموضوعية اللي هي التوبيك سنتنس. وبعدين في الخاتمة تعطينا نصيحة زايد اللي هي تعيد صياغة thesis statement اللي كتبتها في الفقرة الأولى بطريقة مختلفة. هذا بالنسبة لدرس اليوم، أتمنى أنكم استفدتوا منه. إذا في أي شيء حطوا تعليقاتكم. أتمنى لكم التوفيق، نلتقي على خير بإذن الله. Stay safe. See you soon. All the best.